What do I think the water industry will look like by the year 2050? So I think water reuse is going to play a huge part in both water and wastewater treatment by the year 2050. And I think that realizing our goal of one water is going to be imperative for the sustainable operation of both of our industries. One of the biggest challenges I think we face is public perception. So there's a huge mistrust of science right now in the general community. Couple that with waterways becoming more polluted, the need to expand existing infrastructure, to replace infrastructure, and to get brand new treatment technologies, and you don't necessarily have a recipe for success. So one of the biggest challenges that we need to overcome as an industry by 2050 will be to get that public trust built up already, so that when we introduce ideas like water reuse that aren't quite so appetizing, the public is ready to receive them. I think in the year 2050, utility management probably will look a little different. So not only do we need to worry about providing clean and safe, adequate amounts of drinking water to the population, we also need to worry about having an environmentally sustainable business model. So not only fiscally responsible, but environmentally responsible. We also need to work on providing employees, our workforce, that home life work balance that so many strive for now, and to make sure that our company values are clearly defined, so we can find those employees whose values align with our own.